Now, in order to use Google Gemini, you actually do need to sign into your Google account. And once you did sign in, you can get started with Google Gemini. Now, they do offer different models, and at least for their more powerful models, you do have to sign up for a paid subscription, but you can get started with the less capable models for free. Basically, as it also works for ChatGPT and to some extent Microsoft Copilot. Now, Google Gemini then also allows you to upload images, for example, to analyze those images and extract data. It theoretically is also capable of generating images, though at the point of time where I'm recording this functionality is disabled due to all those problems Google Gemini had with generating accurate images. So I can, for example, ask Google Gemini what the performance of the Nvidia stock has been over the last 3 years, and it then goes ahead and gives me those details. Though, as you can tell, at least here for me, it didn't give me the actual details, but instead some general notes and then some links where I can learn more about the performance, which essentially I would say is a missed chance by Google because, well, they would have all the data, they could have kept me on their site. But you also might be getting different results. What's worth noting about the results you're getting is that you can click on this Show Drafts button here, though, to see alternative responses that could have been generated instead. Now, it can take some time until these responses are calculated, but then you can switch between these different drafts to see which alternative replies Google considered giving to you. And that, of course, can also sometimes be helpful if you didn't get the perfect reply right away. Of course, since it's a chat, you can also ask follow-up questions. Though here Google then tells me that it can't provide the exact performance data, which might also just be a temporary problem right now, though, because that model is having those problems I described earlier. So, at least right now, this chat model actually isn't too helpful, and I personally don't use Gemini too much at this point of time. Nonetheless, of course, with all the data Google has, Google Gemini might become a really powerful chatbot in the future.